Hey my friends, I'm Carlos from CP Marine and the Small Boat Repair Channel. I am in the boat ramp in Boca Raton, Florida. As you guys know, the boat ramp has been under construction since September of 2021. And everybody asks me, when you think the boat ramp is going to be ready? I don't know when the boat ramp is going to be ready. So I came here and trying to find it myself, but as you guys can see, I wasn't allowed to get in. So what I did was just wait for somebody and ask him when you think the boat ramp is going to be ready. So this guy came here and it was very nice, helpful, and he answered that question for me. So he said the boat ramp is going to be ready maybe by June or July of 2022. I know, it's hard to hear that, but that's what he said to me. Apparently some kind of structural changes that I don't know much. I don't know work on construction. I know everybody uses this ramp for professional, fishing and renting or recreational. Unlike me, I work on boats and I use this boat ramp all the time because my location is not far from here. So this is what I got for you guys right now. If you got any questions, just comment in the section down below. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Thank you so much. See you next video.